Okay, so a customer sent me this Pokemon Crystal. They said they tried replacing the battery on it, but it still wouldn't save. They tried to see if any of the legs were disconnected, and they think they may have disconnected 3 of them. So I need to check that on the board. First thing first, though, let's make sure it powers on and plays. So yeah, it loads up fine. And yeah, there's no save on there. Let's see if it loads like the sprites for the different characters. Okay, yeah, the sprites loaded, so that means the RAM should be okay. But let's get it opened up and check this battery. You can see where he got the soldering iron a little too close to the protective sleeve on the battery. Yeah, that pin is definitely lifted. Wow. Let's get that under the microscope. Well, it doesn't take an eagle eye to see that. Let's check the other pins as well. That's going to be tricky. I do not want to break that leg off. You can already see where it's starting to have a little bit of stress right there. Same thing on this one. See that copper showing? That's not good. So check the voltage on the battery. Battery voltage is good. I believe that's supposed to be a 10K resistor. Or maybe it's a 1K because it's showing 1 kilo ohms. 330 kilo ohms. So the save issue does not seem to be the battery. I'm going to go ahead and try to fix these. Actually, I want to rework this battery first because, as you can see, it's not the greatest solder joint there. Yeah, I need to check that pad underneath. Okay, so now let's address these. So what I'm trying to do is let them heat up a little bit before I actually try to bend them. That should make them a little bit more pliable. Now I'm just going to go ahead and reflow all the legs. Go ahead and reinstall the battery. Let's see if this will save. So put a little deoxit on the pins. Uh-oh. So there's something else wrong with it. So since the game still wouldn't save, I began inspecting the board a little bit closer and I started finding some corrosion damage. Is that it? Is that a problem? Alright, so yeah, that does not work. So I'm gonna have to repair this trace, see if that fixes the save. So what you're seeing here is this via is corroded completely through. I revealed a little bit of copper here so that I can bridge the connection to the other side of the board using probably some magnet wire. So this is just going to be some enameled wire. All right, let's see if that helped at all. Cross your fingers. And there we go.